How to redeem Bank of America rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Bank of America rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you hold the Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card, you have a few choices when it comes the time to redeem your points. You can use them to book travel, get cash back, or buy gift cards. Here's a step-by-step guide for using your Bank of America Premium Rewards credit card points. First, you will need to sign in to your Bank of America account. Select your Premium Rewards credit card from the list of accounts and tap on the Rewards tab. That tab will show you your total available points and provide an option to redeem them. Clicking on Redeem Points brings you to a screen with 3 redemption options. You can use your points for travel, cash, or gift cards. There is a 2,500 point minimum on all redemptions. Bank of America does not have any airline or hotel transfer partners, but the first redemption option, travel, will allow you to use your points to directly book a flight, hotel, or car rental. The redemption rate is 1 cent per point, just as it is with the other 2 choices. So, this is how you can redeem Bank of America rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.